Worried about spotting AI-generated content online? Google's SynthID is here to help, using invisible watermarks to reveal what's machine-made. Stick around as we break down what SynthID is and how it actually works. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are diving into Google SynthID, the breakthrough tool designed to watermark AI-generated text, images, audio, and video. We will explain what it is, why it matters, and show you exactly how it works behind the scenes. Let's get started. What is Google SynthID? Google SynthID is a tool for watermarking and identifying content generated by Google's AI models. It works by embedding a digital watermark that is invisible to the human eye directly into AI-generated images, text, audio, and video. This watermark can be detected by a separate tool, SynthID Detector, to determine if the content was likely created by Google's AI tools such as Imagen, Gemini, or Lyria. The key features of the tool are broad applicability. SynthID can be applied to various content types including images, text, audio, and video when generated by Google's AI services. Invisible to users. The watermark is imperceptible to the naked eye, so it does not affect the user's experience or the quality of the content. Google specific. The system is designed to work specifically with content generated by Google's AI products. It cannot identify content made with non-Google AI tools like ChatGPT. How the tool works. SynthID embeds a digital watermark into the output of the Google's AI models as they are creating content. The watermark is embedded at the pixel level for images or through word choices for text and can withstand some modifications like cropping or color changes. A separate detector tool scans the content for the presence of this watermark to identify it as synthetically generated. Where can you use SynthID today? SynthID is integrated into selected generative models and workflows to watermark outputs at creation time. Availability varies by product and modality. The SynthID detector can be used to test content and identify whether a watermark is present with guidance for interpreting results. Step-by-step guide on watermarking and detecting with SynthID. To begin with, simply upload the image to your chat and ask if it's been created or altered by Google AI. Gemini will check for a SynthID watermark and let you know if it finds one. You can visit this site and select Try in Gemini. Now upload an image. Just click on Tool, then choose Upload Files. Then upload the image. You can drag and drop one and give prompts like, is this image AI generated? Click on the Send button, then wait for a few seconds. The tool will analyze and let you know the answer. How SynthID Detector works. Upload an image, audio track, video, or piece of text created using Google's AI tools. Now wait for the portal to scan the uploaded media and then detect whether the uploaded content or some portion of the content contains a SynthID watermark. You will see the results, and if a SynthID watermark is detected, the portions which contain watermarks will be highlighted. Right now, Google's SynthID Detector isn't a public tool you can freely access. It's being rolled out gradually to early testers such as journalists, media professionals, and researchers. That means there isn't a general upload portal available yet. To use it, you would need to join the waitlist through Google DeepMind's official SynthID page, then fill up the required details. Once accepted, testers get access to the online portal where they can upload images, audio, video, or text created with Google's AI tools for watermark detection. Sure thing, let's expand that statement into clear, structured points so it gets easier to digest. Why Google is partnering with companies on SynthID. Google DeepMind is working with companies worldwide to embed SynthID watermarks in their AI-generated content. This ensures the technology isn't limited to Google's own tools but becomes a shared standard across industries. By watermarking outputs at the point of creation, audiences can more easily identify when content is AI-generated. This builds trust and reduces confusion or misinformation. As AI systems become more autonomous, they can generate large volumes of content without direct human oversight. SynthID helps ensure accountability by marking this content with invisible detectable signals. Journalists, media professionals, and researchers benefit from reliable provenance markers, making it easier to verify sources and distinguish authentic content from synthetic material. SynthID watermarks are designed to survive common edits like resizing, compression, or format changes, so detection remains possible even after content is modified. These partnerships contribute to a broader ecosystem of trust where platforms, creators, and audiences can rely on consistent signals to understand the origin of digital content. Google's partnerships are about scaling SynthID beyond its own products, embedding transparency into AI content globally, and preparing for a future where autonomous AI agents generate much of what we see and hear online. And that's it. Now you know how Google SynthID invisibly tags AI-generated content, making it traceable and trustworthy. If this guide helped you understand SynthID better, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech explainers. Still having questions or thoughts on AI watermarking? Drop them in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going and build a smarter community together. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.